I have included 4 different styles of text Flickr templates. Let me show you how to edit this template. Let's open Premiere Pro. I am creating a new sequence. Taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import templates. Import them all one by one. Select any template and place it on the timeline. Here in the Edit tab, you can change text, font, color, glow, scale, and position. Let's change its text. Add the same text in the first and second text box, otherwise, it won't work properly. Change font here. Here you can change text color. Change glow settings here. Here you can scale text and change its position. Now let's place another template on the timeline. That's it. Thanks for watching.